Hello again, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Well, winter is just around the corner, and if you have a shady spot in your garden and want some color this winter, like November, December, January, February, even into March, I recommend camellias. Even if you don't have a really shady spot, there are a few varieties that can handle a little bit of morning sun. But there are so many camellias, it's confusing. Here's Ginger trying to figure out which camellia she likes. Well, I'm going to go through 20 of my favorite in this video here. But before we get to the list, let's just remind you that camellias do love shade and acidic soil that's kind of low in pH, in that 5 to a max of 7. If you don't have it, mix in some acidic planting soil, and even grow mulch is really great stuff to lower that pH in your soil. Really, really helpful stuff. All right, let's look at some of these camellia varieties, and there is a list in the video description and comment section of all the camellias in this video, as well as some links on where to buy them. Now, most of these camellias are Japanese camellias, Camellia japonica, meaning they really do like that shady spot. A couple of them are Camellias sasanquas, and I'll point those out. But unless I tell you otherwise, assume that these are the Japanese camellias and they want to have some shade. They can have a little bit of sun in the morning, but really like some shade. I love China Lily. That one, by the way, is my mom's, from my mom's garden. She loves camellias. And so, actually about half of the ones in this video are from my mom's garden. By the way, hit the like if you're enjoying all these colorful camellias here. Debutante's definitely one of the more popular and hardy ones, very tough, one of the older, really reliable ones. So some really neat ones here. New Show's Gem is one of the most popular, also very hardy. New Show was a great propagator of camellias. Huntington, I love this one. By the way, the Huntington Garden in Los Angeles has a beautiful camellia garden if you want to see these live and in person. So again, the two most favorite ones I love for sunny gardens are Kanjiro and Yuletide. Now, when I say sunny gardens, meaning they have a lot of sun in the morning, but still a little bit of shade in the afternoon. Those are the ones that are the Camellia sasanquas. They can handle a little bit more sun than the japonica ones. Like I said, there's a list of all these camellias in the comments section, as well as links to buy about half of these. Some of these are really kind of rare now, but some of these, like Yuletide, and again, that's one of the sunny ones, and Silver Waves, which is another sunny one, can handle some sun. Those are links you can find in the video description. And yes, even hummingbirds love camellias because they provide flowers in the wintertime, which is kind of a rare thing. So if you like those hummingbirds, make sure to throw a couple of camellias in, again, if you have those shady spots. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe to get more of my videos, and like if you liked this video. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks for watching.